This is going to be a messy storm, a lot of impacts for holiday travelers. The good news is it's going to be a quick moving storm, and the timing, hopefully a lot of people won't have to be traveling through the worst. So you can see on the map already, we've got the snow, wintry mix through Michigan, moving its way on east here. And when it comes to the snow impacts, New York City, AccuWeather is looking at 3 to 6 inches of snow for the city. Philadelphia, Boston, 1 to 3 inches of snow. But take a look at this dark blue zone here right north of New York City, Catskill Mountains. AccuWeather meteorologists say this is the zone where we could see 6 to 12 inches of snow. That's not the only problem with the storm. There's a really messy component here. Take a look at these dark pink areas, southern Michigan, including Lansing, as well as central and western Pennsylvania. This is where we could see those icy impacts, could be significant in those areas. So there could be a mix of sleet, ice pellets, freezing rain. The big concern here in these areas, if we start to see any ice accumulations on the power lines or tree branches being weighed down, that's where we could see some big problems with some power outages. So you could see this is a big, messy storm here. And when it comes to the travel forecast, this is mostly for the second half of the day into the night, but you could see major holiday travel weather impacts expected across the Great Lakes into the Northeast. Also, our friends on the West Coast as well, still dealing with a lot of rain, flooding issues, and mountain snow.